Today we are looking at the best free SEO content tools and how you can use them to create content for your website. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I'm Tom, co-founder and head of marketing at Surfer, the first SEO content optimization platform that helps marketers from around the world create high-quality content that generates traffic from search engines. Even though free SEO content tools might not have the A-grade features of premium tools, they can still provide a lot of value when used effectively. I'm going to show you how each of these SEO content tools work, and then I will show you how you can use them for a solid content workflow that will cost you nothing. Ready? Let's dive in. The first tool is something you've been always using, Google Search. Surprised? Google is a great choice. It's free, easy to use, and gives you insights into what people are genuinely interested in, helping you create content that resonates with your audience. Type a query into search bar, and Google Autocomplete will provide a list of suggested searches. These suggestions are based on popular search terms related to what you are typing. This is incredibly useful for discovering relevant long-tail keywords that real users are searching for. Here's a tip. Type in your keyword and a single letter of the alphabet followed by the asterisk sign to see more keyword suggestions. By the way, you can move the asterisk around your search term. So if I type in lose weight, you can see that people are also interested in gaining muscle and exercising. Each of these terms can be a valuable keyword or topic idea for your content. Also, look up the People Also Ask section, which is near the top of search results page and includes a series of questions related to your initial query. The People Also Search For feature appears at the bottom of your search results, where Google shows you a list of other search terms that people commonly use when looking for similar information. Google's main pro is that it allows you to find subtopics to increase the number of keywords for which you can show up. However, the first con is that Google doesn't reveal any search metrics for your keywords. But we've solved this with Keyword Surfer, our free Google Chrome extension used by over 600,000 users that provides search metrics within Google's results. So if I go to Google Search and I type in a keyword phrase, I will see the various metrics as well as related keywords that people search for on the right side of the search results page. Google's second drawback is that you will often find keywords with the same search results and have to deal with repetitions. You may find different ways people search for weight loss, but the search results will be very similar. Using an SEO tool like Surfer will ensure these keywords are grouped under one topic, so you are not targeting the same topic with different articles. Surfer mines Google search results for keywords based on your seed topic. So if your website is about weight loss, you can generate thousands of related and long-tail keywords to improve your topic coverage. The next free tool does not need an introduction. One of ChatGPT's biggest strengths is the ability to create well-structured text that is grammatically sound. You can also use ChatGPT to generate ideas for interesting titles of your articles. While ChatGPT is very powerful, it's not perfect. The content it generates requires editing to ensure accuracy, tone, and alignment with your brand's specific style. While it can generate keyword-rich content, it doesn't necessarily understand search engine optimization, which is crucial if you want your pages to rank. As I said many times before, the key to using AI content safely is to generate a draft that you can then improve with human insights and writing to comply with Google's helpful content guidelines for web content. So if you are using ChatGPT, pair it with tools like Surfer that provide these insights to optimize your content fully, or ensure that you are humanizing it yourself, or with an AI humanizer like free Surfer's Humanizer, for example. Surfer AI offers a quick and efficient way to produce SEO-friendly content, and it's capable of writing in different tones and styles depending on your brand's voice. Surfer also includes relevant keywords and follows SEO guidelines to ensure that your content is optimized for search engines all the time. My next recommendation is Google Trends. Using Trends, you can see a keyword or topic past and present popularity. For example, you can see that interest around Nvidia stock rises every single time they have an earnings call. Use Google Trends to conduct market research on a niche, product, or topic and determine whether it's worth your time and effort to pursue, or whether it's just a seasonality and temporary spike. Since Google Trends does not reflect search volumes, pair it with a keyword research tool like Surfer that provides accurate metrics to get the full picture. My last recommendation is to use Google Search Console to track search performance and identify keyword opportunities. The Search Performance Report provides detailed insights into your site performance in Google Search, showing crucial metrics like clicks, impressions, click-through rate, also known as CTR, and average position for each keyword your site ranks for. Google Search Console is free and provides direct data from Google, but doesn't offer keyword difficulty scores or actionable content insights, which kinda means that you have to have some level of SEO expertise to get some value from these reports. We've built Content Audit for this specific purpose. Content Audit analyzes your website data from Google Search Console to identify which pages are underperforming and how you can improve them by adding new entities, topics, and updated information. It gives you a clear picture of how your website is performing in Google Search, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. Now, let me walk you through a simple workflow you can follow to create SEO content. Let's say that my business sells time tracking software. Using the keyword survey extension installed, I can see that a potential keyword phrase might be time tracking for employees, since the search volume is high and it's relevant to my product. So I might create my own article listing time tracking software for employees, do on-page SEO, and publish it. The problem with this approach is that you could have potentially targeted a topic where it would be difficult to predict whether you can actually rank and attract traffic for this article. For example, how many articles should you publish about time tracking? What will it take to rank? And can you rank for these keywords? How to optimize your content for ranking? Free SEO tools are great for quick research, and you can definitely use them when you start out. As your website grows, there are so many more things you can do with paid tools like Surfer that are well worth your time and money. A tool like Surfer can help you find realistic keyword ideas fast and create quality content so your pages start drawing traffic from day one. There you go. I hope this video made your job a little easier. And remember, you don't need tons of different tools. These 5 free SEO content tools are enough to start doing SEO and seeing results. And again, as your website grows, consider signing up for Surfer so you can continue to scale with data-driven decisions. Let me know in the comments below if there are any other free tools that you are actively using. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.